Hey guys, Kyle Stanley. I've had my 86 911 Carrera Targa for about a month now, and I'm excited because tomorrow I'm going to be doing my first, we can call it a mod, but it's more of an aesthetic mod. I'm going to be taking my car into East Auto Body in Orange, which is in Southern California. They're very well known in the Porsche community. You know, they have sometimes like a 2-year wait to have a full paint job, but I'm pretty lucky that I was able to get in. What I'm going to be doing is getting my 16-inch Fuchs wheels repainted. They're the black centers. And I'm also gonna get my Targa Bar redone. So I'll show you what it looks like here. So here's my Targa Bar up close. Now you can see that it's really dull, and it has like this kind of pitting thing happening. And I think one of the great things about my car is the contrast. Well, really any white Porsche is the contrast with the black and the white. So like the blacks need to be very black and the white needs to be very white. And especially on a Targa because of the black top. So I'm also gonna be sending my Targa top in to be redone, but I'll do that on another video. So let's go around to the wheels so you can take a look. So these wheels are freshly cleaned. I just did a full Obsessed Garage, 2-hour wash on my car. But you see how the black, compared to the black of the tire, the black of the wheel is really dull. And so I want this to be really very dark black. It's faded here. And I have the anodized lip, which I really like. So we're gonna keep that, redo this. I'm gonna update my lugs to look better. So it's a little better lighting now. You can see just how faded these wheels are and how it'd be much nicer if they were the black of the tires, and how it'll make such a big difference in just the overall appearance of the Targa. I'll take a video when we get it back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're here at East Auto Body. I just got done having a little consultation with Shane. We are going to redo my wheels, redo the center caps. We're going to redo the Targa Bar on the car just because it's a lot less expensive. And the only negative about that is that the Targa logo and the Targa Bar are the same color. And he said originally they're slightly different. We're also gonna go around and clean up just with a brush, just some little chips and things that I have. So I'll go around the car and show you that stuff. Okay, so here are the wheels again. This is the Targa Bar that we're gonna redo. You can see just how bad it looks right now. It's actually really good lighting to show how bad it looks. And then we have little things like where you open the door and it's been hit. We've got another little one here. Let's go around the car. Another little tiny guy here. You got a little thing there that can probably get buffed out. You got another little one there. And then the wheels. Here's one that's already been fixed there. And then another little one right here. So here's how it looks today. I said he's gonna be done in just a few days. So really, really excited to see what it looks like. All right, it's 2 days later, very fast. East Auto Body did a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna show you everything. It was affordable, fast, and the quality is great. So let's take a look. Here is the 86 Targa. Let's look at what was done. Number one, you can see
The wheels, the quality of that just looks amazing. They masked off all of the original Porsche crests, so we can still use the original center caps, but that matte black just really looks amazing. And then of course we did the Targa top. And what's interesting about the Targa top that I didn't realize was that this little texture that you see here is actually factory. It's supposed to have that texture. So when they prep it, they don't want to remove that. They just want to get it prepped for paint. You can see the Targa bar now is black, like how it should be. Looks really good. I'll kind of back up here. Now, one thing that I wasn't planning on doing that we ended up doing were the handles, the door handles. I wish I took a video before, but they were kind of a purplish color. They look just at this great satin black now. And another thing that we did that I wasn't planning on doing was the windshield wipers. The windshield wipers were kind of faded and scratched, but it's just a subtle thing that makes it look really nice. And then the last thing that Shane did was he went around the car and any little, there were like some places here where you can kind of see, he just touched this up with a brush. So, you know, just simple brush, little tiny, flakes and things. But overall, I'm really, really satisfied. I think it makes my car not look so old and not look so beat up, but still has that that factory look. You know, I didn't do anything that's out of the ordinary, and so I'm excited to get in the car and drive it. Thanks everybody for watching.